Igoumenitsa. Our first morning in Greece on this trip. We came into Igoumenitsa last night by ferry, and this is the walk promenade. Town was up there. Chinese there having our coffee. It's the way to start.
Driving along this road here now in Kerry, and we're looking for where they make the butter. Kerry Gold. It's the cream. Nah, only joking. We're in fucking Greece, and it's just beautiful, magnificent morning, and we're just saying how green everything is. Lovely down here, which means they probably get a good drop of rain, but not this week. Ha ha!
She's not clean, but she's ours. Previously the Fata Morgana, and now she's going to be about 13 in all her glory. She needs a good fucking scrub. Inside we've cleaned. We've been here nearly 24 hours. We have the world done, but always loads to do.
Inflated the dinghy. It hasn't been used in a while, so we don't know whether there's fucking holes in it or not, but we're about to find out, because we're going in and I don't really want to have to go for a swim, so hopefully it's going to fucking stay up.
Go for it. It's in the water.
Well, that there you.
Okay. Don't drown.
Try not to.
Want the rope?
You're just chuckling. Bye. Fingers crossed. Hello, boy. It's fucking floating now, man.
Yeah. So what are you doing? Cleaning? COVID rules, you're not allowed. Bye. Bye, Benny.
So here we are, what day is today? Wednesday. It's 1 week exactly since we left home. There she is, boat 13, formally Fata Morgana. And we're on the public quay in Vliho. And because we're going in lockdown and we're going to be trapped here for a couple of weeks, we have kindly been offered a spot on a little marina up the street here. So we're going to take a walk up and have a look. And we can move down there, and then we're going to have, so we'll have power and water and all of that. So we're going to go down and check it out. So there she is. She's on the marina. Maiden voyage of about 500 yards. Put it all that's up. Get the miles up yet. These are our neighbours. Small boats here. Fucking monsters. Very pretty though. Look at this one. Muscadine. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful boat. And we've still got all the beauty of the area, which is amazing. The place is just magnificent. And so there we are. That's our berth for the next, well, the bones of 3 weeks until this lockdown ends. Of a Thursday. Sun is out. It's 9:25 in the morning and it's like glass out there. Beautiful. Look at lake. Lefkas during lockdown.
Well, we got a new old board, second-hand new old board, the Yamaha 2.5, which we just bought from Matt, and we just spent 15 minutes trying to start that fucking thing. The skin has gone off my fingers, but she's running now. We're just passing the boat, which is over there, and we're going to run across the bay to see what's on the other side. It's cost me a fuck all extra.
got a dream I want you to share. I wanna kiss you, I wanna hold you. To you I love you, I wanna dance with you. I wanna kiss you, I wanna hold you. To you I love you, I wanna dance with you. Dance with you. So alone, you are my own. I'll try to call you on the telephone, though you don't answer, I know you're home.